Hi everyone, welcome to DD classes. In last video, we have discussed about the balance of payment and the economic transaction in BOP. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the components of BOP. So, all transaction in BOP can be grouped under the two categories. One is current account, one is capital account. Let us discuss the current account. It refers to an account which records all the transactions relating to export and import of goods and services and unilateral transfer, that is one side transaction, during a given period of time. So current account contains the receipt and payments relating to all the transaction of visible items, invisible items and unilateral transfer. Under the current account, what are the components of current account? So the main components of current account is the export and import of goods, that is merchandise transaction or visible trade. A major part of transactions in foreign trade is in form of export and import of goods, that is visible items. So the payment for import of goods is written on the negative side, debit items. And the receipt from export is in a positive side, that is credit item. So what we are payment for the import of goods is in negative side. So we have to pay. And the receipt from the export is a positive side, credit items. So we receive the money from the other countries. So balance of these visible exports and imports is known as a BOT, that is balance of trade. The next component is export and import of services, that is invisible trade. So it includes the large variety of non-factor services, that is invisible items sold and purchased by the resident of a country to and from the rest of the world, from other countries and foreign countries. So payments are either received or made to other countries for use of these services. Services are generally three kinds. One is shipping, banking and the insurance. So payment for these services are recorded on the negative side and receipt on the positive side. Third one is unilateral transfers to and from abroad, that is one-sided transaction. So this transfer include the gift, donations, personal remittance and other one-way transaction also. So these refer to those receipts and payments which take place without any service in return. So receipt of unilateral transfer from rest of the world, that is from the foreign countries, is shown on the credit side. And unilateral transfer to the rest of the world on the debit side. Okay, what we receive from the foreign countries is on a credit side. To the foreign side, it is on a debit side. The last one is income receipt and payments to and from abroad. So here it includes the investment income in the form of interest, rent and profit. So what are the components of balance of payment? One is current account and capital account. Under the current account, export and import of goods, export and import of service, unilateral and income receipt and payments to and from abroad. Next video, we will discuss about the capital account and its components. Now it is your turn. Unilateral transfer are also known as dash. Export and import of goods is also known as dash. If you know the answer, type in comment box. Thank you.